Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable Windows updates permanently. If you're tired of those pesky updates interrupting your work or gaming sessions, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, press Window and R key and type services.msc. Click OK. Select any option and press W. Scroll down and search for Windows Update. And then left-click on it and select Properties. Now select the Disable option. Click on Apply and then OK. Now you have disabled the Windows updates, but it is temporary. To disable the Windows update permanently, you have to add one more step. Press Window and R key and search Regedit. Click OK. Click on Hikey Local Machine. And then select Software. Select for Policies and then Microsoft. And then right-click on Windows and select New. Click on Key and type Windows Update. Hit Enter. And then right-click on Window Update. Click on New. Click on Key. And then type O. Hit Enter. Select O and then right-click and select DWORD 32-bit value. And type No Auto Update. Hit Enter. And then double-click on that. Type 1 and click OK. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled Windows updates permanently. Just remember that by doing this, you won't receive any new updates, including important security patches, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more tech-related videos. Thank you.